Zim.
Did
Scope my hindi ko
see how the glitter. Ladies at court will be all on Twitter. King will reward me. His night knows Lord me.
Thank you, Karen.
Thank you,
That's Carringer. Zian, sing along. Pocahontas.
And behold, God be sold. Ouch!
Thank you, Karen.
And thank you, Margot, for coming.
Steady shot.
Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. I roll in all the riches all around you. Never wonder what they're worth. Storm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. We are all connected to each other in a circle that never ends. How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. Ow!
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Purple skin. Voices of the mountain. To paint with all the colors. You can own the earth and still hell your own is earth until paint all the colors.
Get on.
Hey dog, look what Marco's doing to Emily.
Who's Emily?
You'll never know.
Our house in Bulangog. Steven said it looked like a tree house. It's awesome. Wave ta!
Well, did you get one? No. Well, you got me. Hit it from under. Dali na pat. You gave me
There's Lolo.
Nasa si An-Asan sa mukam?
Ma, you say hi.
Hi!
Hi everybody, come forward. Climb the stair and there is the limoncito tree. Climb, Pat. You used to climb the limoncito there.
This is a big farmhouse. How many generation is this now, Ma? Fifth generation?
Fifth generation.
Oh boy.
generation and it's still not rotten?
This is the cornfield. Asa man to sila?
Use this for a playhouse.
Auntie, were you born in here?
No.
No, not like that. Maybe like this. No, it's you have to start off.
You need it with something else.
Hello! We are here in the farm. Our birthplace. Home of the
Were you born here, Pat?
I was born here
Here in this house?
52 years ago.
You were born in this house? Oh, really?
During the
Pat was born in this house in Bulangog 52 years ago.
Ang mapigi sa Diyos ni Manong nga magkasalan hidinhe. Ang
You translate nun.
Yeah, Tia said that Lolo Baido wants her to get married in this house where she was born. Kuyog ka, musugot ka nang.
Ako?
Oh,
Ako kaslo dere.
Kalayo kayo sa atong mga bisita.
Mayo, gabaray mo kitambong. Pamilya na.
Papagay po ng balay.
Aha. Dinhigos pat sige anak.
Yeah, Pat was born here 52 years ago. So this house is how old? Pa, how old is this house?
How old? Pa, kani nga balay? Mga 80 years old na?
Mga 80 years old.
Really?
Probably. Mas o menos. 80 years old na rin balay.
We're about 100 years old.
This house is 80 years old.
Mas o menos. Mas o menos.